हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ मेटलिक स्क्वायर लूप ABCD इज मूविंग इन इट्स ऑन प्लेन विथ वेलोसिटी v in its own plane with velocity v in uniform magnetic field perpendicular to as shown in figure. राइट, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंड्यूस. देखिए देखिए राइट, इसमें क्या स्क्वायर लूप है विथ v वेलोसिटी से राइटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है एंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ पेपर. सो इट इज, सिंस इट इज लाइक दिस, so it is out of the plane. Okay, so since you will see, right, since we can see here the magnetic field is constant, so here you will get the motional EMF. Okay, because right, because the wire, right, the square loop is cutting the magnetic field, so here you will get the motional EMF. So since we will take, right, अगर मैं AB लेंथ ले लूं तो AB लेंथ की वेलोसिटी जो है राइटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है और लेंथ भी इसकी राइटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है, तो लेंथ और वेलोसिटी इसकी परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है, तो AB के अक्रॉस कुछ भी EMF नहीं आएगा. सो आई कैन से हियर अक्रॉस द AB EMF across AB will be zero because the length and velocity are in the same direction. It has to be perpendicular if you want to get the motional EMF. Same can be said for the DC also. If I say the EMF across DC, here also the length of DC is like this and the velocity of DC is also in rightward direction. So both are in the same direction. It is not perpendicular. So once again you will not get the EMF across the DC also. So that will also be zero. Let us talk about AD. EMF across AD. Okay, here you can see the length is like this, the velocity is like this, and the field is like this. So all are mutually perpendicular. So you will get the motional EMF here in this case, and that will be VBL. So that will be VB, and the length of AD, let us assume it is L. So this will become L, right? If I call this length as L here, okay, and the magnetic field I am calling as B, so VBL. Similarly, the EMF across BC, right? Once again, if you will see the BC here, the length is like this, velocity is like this, and magnetic field is like this. So all are mutually perpendicular, so we will get the motional EMF in this case also, and that will be VBL. So let us see which option is here. In AD, right, it is saying the electric field is induced in AD bus, not in. This is wrong. In BC bus, this is also wrong. Neither in AD nor in BC, this is also wrong. D option is correct. In both AD and BC, you will get the electric field induced, because if you are getting the EMF in AD and BC, then who is responsible for EMF? Obviously electric field. So obviously in AD and BC you will get the electric field. So in both AD and BC. Okay, so option D is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.